Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we take beauty products for a spin before they make their way into your routine. If you're someone who loves salon-quality nails but prefers to skip the salon visits, then you're going to want to stick around for today's review. We're talking about the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Tip Press-On Nails in the Chic Beats design. These nails claim to give you the look and strength of salon acrylics with zero damage to your natural nails. But do they actually live up to the hype? Let's dive in. The Kiss Salon Acrylic French Tip Press-On Nails come in a natural nude color and feature a short squoval shape, which is a great choice if you want something subtle yet stylish. The set includes 28 fake nails, along with pink gel nail glue, a mini nail file, and a manicure stick. Everything you need for a complete at-home DIY manicure. What makes these press-ons stand out is the use of acrylic-infused technology. This means they're thinner at the cuticle for a seamless look, and you get that strong, salon-quality finish without the need for any special skills or tools. And because the nails are made with what Kiss calls dual injection technology, they're designed to give you a bubble-free, flawless look every time. In my testing, I found these press-ons to be a breeze to apply. The glue that comes with the kit is easy to work with and sets quickly, which is always a win in my book when it comes to press-on nails. The fit is decent, though I'd suggest trimming and filing them slightly to customize the fit for your nails. You'll also want to keep a light hand with the glue. Too much can get messy, but just the right amount ensures a strong hold. What really impressed me is how these nails feel on the fingers. Unlike some press-ons that feel flimsy or like they're just hanging on for dear life, these stay securely in place and feel durable. I was able to go about my day typing, cooking, even cleaning, without worrying about them lifting or bending. In fact, they lasted me about 10 days before I noticed any slight signs of wear, but they didn't chip or peel at all. That's pretty solid for press-ons, considering many sets start to show wear after just a few days. Now, no product is perfect, and there are a couple of things to note. First, while the nails are strong, they are still press-ons, so they're not indestructible. If you hit them hard enough, they could still break or chip. Secondly, the pink gel nail glue provided with the kit is fine, but Kiss also recommends using their PowerFlex nail glue for the best hold. So if you're planning to keep these on for the full 14 days, it might be worth investing in that glue. Let's talk about value. The price of the Kiss Salon Acrylic French Tip Press-On Nails is relatively affordable compared to salon acrylics or other premium press-on options, especially considering the quality and the included accessories. You're paying for convenience and quality, so if you're someone who prefers DIY manicures that still look professional, this is definitely a good deal. The nails hold up well, and considering that you get 28 nails in the pack, this could last you a couple of uses. If you're someone who's on a budget or looking for a similar look with a lower price tag, there are alternatives out there that might suit your needs, like Impress or other Kiss nail kits. They also offer durable designs but at a slightly lower price point. But in terms of overall performance, the Kiss Salon Acrylics offer good value for the price. In terms of build quality, I'm satisfied with the nails material. The press-ons feel sturdy, and the packaging keeps them intact during shipping. I haven't seen any cracks or issues with the nails themselves, which is a good sign for their longevity. The glue could be a little better, but overall, the nails themselves hold up well. Now, when it comes to customer support, I've had no direct experience with Kiss. However, the brand is well known for its wide availability and generally positive reputation in the beauty industry, so I wouldn't expect any issues if you ever needed assistance. As for product alternatives, if you're not into the French tip style, there are plenty of other options from Kiss and brands like Impress or Glamnetic that offer similarly high-quality press-ons with a range of designs. But if you're specifically after the acrylic look with strength and a flawless finish, the Kiss Salon Acrylics are a solid option. So, what's my final verdict? The Kiss Salon Acrylic French Tip Press-On Nails do deliver on their promise of providing salon-quality nails with an easy DIY application. The strength, ease of use, and overall design make this set a great choice for anyone who loves press-ons. However, for the best hold, you might want to grab the PowerFlex nail glue as well. If you're after a convenient, long-lasting option for DIY French tips, these are worth checking out. Just make sure you're comfortable with the application process, and you'll get beautiful, durable nails in minutes. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.